Now take a look at this. Our chicken is ready. We'll just put it on a serving plate. It's looking so beautiful. So this is how the chicken will turn out to be. It will have so many layers, just like our KFC chicken. We all love to eat KFC fried chicken, but we don't know how to make it. Come with me, let me show you how to make KFC chicken. Yes, let's go. I'll show it's very fast. So it is easy to make at home. So I'll show you this a very quick dish. So I have already marinated 2 legs of chicken, and in this I have added ginger garlic paste, salt and some paprika powder. So for in this now further I will add this Maggi masala, the instant noodle masala we have to add into this. So since I have only 2 chickens, so I'll 2 pieces, so I'll just add 1 teaspoon of it, and to this I will add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. I'll add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder or paprika, 1 teaspoon of ketchup, tomato ketchup. So I'll mix all of this very properly, and I have already added salt into this, and even soya sauce also has salt, so don't add too much salt. And even the instant noodle masala, always has some salt in it. Now I've taken a bowl of ice water. There is ice floating in this water, so just take a look. So 1 plate of all-purpose flour. To this all-purpose flour I'll add 1 teaspoon or 1 heaped teaspoon of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of paprika, and I'll mix all of this together like this. So I'll keep this pan ready now, and I'll start coating my chicken. So coat it very nicely all over. Turn the chicken very well, so from all sides it should coat very well, and then I'll dip this into my ice water. Just dip it properly. Now remove this from the ice water and again put it into the coating, the flour coating, and again coat it. And see to it that the coating is spread out very properly around the chicken. Now again I'll dip it into my ice water. And again I'll put it back into my flour. So do it, the more you do it, the more the layers will form. So your coating will be like nice and crisp. Look at this, look at the chicken, it's looking really well coated. Now my oil is hot, so I'll add this into my oil like this. So the second chicken, I'll start coating the second chicken. I'll just put it inside my flour first. Coat it very well. So if anyone is missing KFC chicken, you can make it at home itself now. And you don't have to actually miss anything because you're capable of doing anything thanks to me. So do it at home. Dip it into ice water on all the sides. Now again back into the flour, coat it properly, coat it well on all the sides. Again back into the water, again back into the flour. Always keep your chicken marinated well in advance. Your chicken fries very well and all the masalas go inside it and it tastes really good. So when you fry your chicken, marinate your chicken well in advance and keep it in the fridge, and when you actually want to eat it, you can just do this procedure and you can fry the chicken and you can make it quickly. So I'll just turn it around. Now take a look at this. Our chicken is ready. We'll just put it on a serving plate. It's looking so beautiful. So this is how the chicken will turn out to be. It will have so many layers, just like our KFC chicken. and it will really be awesome to eat. So just you can prepare this very quickly and make it for your friends and for your family, and eat it if you really love eating KFC kind of chicken.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, Simply City.